Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Draw Lifestyle. It's been a quite long time since I published a video, so I came up with a quick drawing tutorial using the AI tool AutoDraw. Go to your browser and search for AutoDraw. Select the first option, autodraw.com. You will see a big whiteboard. On the left side, you have options like AutoDraw, Start Over, Download, Share, How to, Artist, About. On the bottom left, you have options Select, Draw, Type, Fill, Shape, AutoDraw. I'll be explaining you how each tool will help you to draw on this. On your right bottom you have a color options, so you can choose one of those colors and you can start drawing. I'm drawing a rough sketch of a car. Once I finish drawing a rough sketch of a car, you can see on the top there are multiple options to select from. On the bottom left, as I said, like you have an option to select. Please select that option and you can minimize, maximize, or you can move the object here and there on your whiteboard. Let's start drawing some other objects. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.